Namaste. Welcome to Deep Yoga Stretch and Meditation for a good sleep. You can do this class on your yoga mat or in your bed right before you go to sleep. So make sure that you're comfortable and warm, maybe grab some extra pillows or cushions for support. Then come lying down on your back with your knees up and leaning against each other. Then bring your big toes in towards each other like pigeon toes. This will help release any lower back tension. And then place your arms along your body with your palms facing up. Close your eyes or keep a soft gaze. Take a big belly breath in and out through your nose and notice the rise and fall of your belly and chest with each in and exhale. Do that a few times, allowing your body to slow down. Allow your mind to slow down. And then let your breath come to its natural rhythm. Hug your knees in towards your chest, hold on to your knees. And gently massage your lower back by moving your knees from side to side. Just micro movements. Follow your body and do what feels good to you. This can also help release any tension in the hip flexors. You can also draw circles with your knees. Make sure you reverse the direction. Wonderful. Bring your knees back to center, release, and place your feet back down. Let's get ready for our deep yoga stretches. The first one will be banana pose. It's a yin style yoga pose or yoga stretch. We will hold this stretch for about a minute. Scoop your hips a few inches over to your right. Walk your legs out to your left. You can keep your right foot next to your left, or for a little bit more of an intense stretch, cross your right ankle over your left. Bring your chest and head over towards your left side. Arms are along your body or above your head. You can clasp and hold on to your opposite elbows. And also pull your right hip down so both hips are even with the ground. Really ground your hips down. So here you are in a banana shape pose or a letter C shape. Try to find complete stillness. And remember, if you feel discomfort, any pain or tingling sensations, then slowly back out and adjust your stretch. Find your stillness and hold this banana pose for 10 deep breaths. Banana pose is a juicy way to stretch your whole side body, including your spine. So from your IT band all the way to your stomach, your oblique muscles, your rib cage, and the intercostal muscles and muscles in between your ribs. We will pair up these yoga stretches with affirmations. And these affirmations can be seeds of awareness that begin to grow as you open and stretch your body. My breath is slow and relaxed, and I am at peace. My breath is slow and relaxed, and I am at peace. My breath is slow and relaxed, and I am at peace. Then deepen your breath. Release your arms. Release your legs, come back to center, and then switch sides. Take banana pose on the other side. Bring your hips over to your left side. Walk your legs out to your right. Cross your left ankle over your right ankle or place your left foot next to your right foot. And then bring your chest and head over towards your right side. Remember to keep your hips grounded, especially your left one. And you can lengthen out your arms. Clasp and hold on to your opposite elbows. Get as comfortable as possible. There should be a little bit of a sensation, but not too much. Then allow your body to soften and surrender to gravity. Find stillness in your body. Hold this pose for about 10 deep breaths. And the affirmation for this stretch is, I am willingly slowing down. I am willingly slowing down. I'm willingly slowing down. Then deepen your breath. Release your arms, release your legs. Come back to center. Hug your knees into your chest. You can rock your knees from side to side. Follow your body and do what feels good for you. And then take your constructive rest pose just for a few deep breaths. Place your feet on the ground, lean your knees against each other, arms along your body. And notice how you feel. Our next stretch will be a supine twist, lying down spinal twist. Scoop your hips a few inches over to your right, then cross your right leg over your left, and gently let your knees fall over to your left side. You can open your right arm towards your right. Try to keep both shoulders on the floor. You can hold on to your right knee with your left hand. The higher your right knee is, the more intense the twist, so you can always lower and adjust, or place a pillow under your right knee. Get as comfortable as possible, and then find stillness. Take 10 deep breaths. The affirmation here is, I release all tension from my body. I release all tension from my body. I release all tension from my body. Stay in your supine twist, but bend your left knee and reach with your left heel towards your bum. Maybe you can hold on to your left ankle with your right hand. Bring your right knee up and place your right foot sole on top of your left thigh or on the floor right above your left thigh. This is cat pulling its tail pose. And then with your left hand, hold on to your right knee. Take 5 deep breaths. The affirmation here is, I release all my worries and concerns. I release all my worries and concerns. I release all my worries and concerns. Then deepen your breath. Slowly release. Come back to center. Shift your hips a few inches over to your left. Cross your left leg over your right. And let your knees fall towards your right side. So remember, the higher your knees are, the more intense the twist. You can always adjust or place a pillow under your knees for support. Then open your left arm out to the side, both shoulders flat on the floor. Look over your left side. Take 10 deep breaths. And the affirmation here is, my body feels heavy and calm. My body feels heavy and calm. My body feels heavy and calm. Stay in your supine twist. We will add cat pulling its tail pose. Bend your right knee and with your left hand, maybe hold on to your right ankle or reach for it. Then bring your left knee up. Hold it with your right hand and place your left foot on top of your right thigh or right above your right thigh on the floor. Hold it here for 5 deep breaths. I am safe, secure, and loved. I am safe, secure, and loved. I am safe, secure, and loved. And slowly release. Gently bring yourself back to center. And we will finish our practice in our constructive rest pose like we've done before. So get as comfortable as possible with your knees leaning against each other, big toes pointed in, heels out, arms along your body, palms facing up. Close your eyes or keep a soft gaze. Take 3 deep cleansing breaths and let the calmness wash over you with every breath you take. Consciously relax every muscle, every part of your body. Feel how heavy and warm and calm and soft your body feels. Feel the heaviness of your muscles. And enter a place of deep relaxation. I am winding down for today, and all is well. I am winding down for today, and all is well. I welcome and embrace the lessons I learned today. I welcome and embrace the lessons I learned today. I take what works from today and leave the rest behind. I take what works from today and leave the rest behind. I'm ready to enter a place of deep relaxation and deep restful sleep. I am ready to enter a place of deep relaxation and deep restful sleep. Feel free to stay here until you really are asleep. You can stay here for as long as you want. And otherwise, if you're ready to come out, invite movement into your hands and fingers, your feet and your toes. Roll over to your right side in fetal position. And from there, gently push yourself up in a seated cross-legged position. And let's seal our practice together with a deep breath in as you reach your arms up. Deep breath out. Unite your hands in front of your heart in Anjali Mudra. Thank yourself for taking this time to consciously relax your body, get ready for a good restful sleep. And thank you so much for joining me. May this practice be a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Sign up now for your free Blissful Morning Guide by clicking the first link below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like and share this video with your friends and family, and I look forward to seeing you soon again.